Hi, my name is Jax, and I'm on the development team for Screzi.com, the world's first research engine. Screzi is a search engine helper. It's for internet users with a lot of experience, so basically, geeks like me. Screzi lets you save all the sites you search regularly and search them directly. So like for guitars, I have my favorite guitar sites saved, and with Screzi, I can search them all at once, using either Google or Bing or both. Since there's so much you can do with Screzi, I figured it'd be easier to make a video demonstrating how to use the site. I think us internet geeks will find this really useful. The newbies, maybe not so much, but follow along and you'll get the hang of it. Okay, so this is my search page. I've got cars, fashion, guitar. I'm a big fan of MMA, so I've got MMA.tv, plus there's the OG. Here's some of my other sites: more cars, online music stores, cars again, photography, poker, things like that. So let me scroll back up to my guitar links. I've got Harmony Central listed for music news, and I've got acapella.harmonycentral.com for when I want to research the message boards. So let's do a search. If I want to search all my guitar sites, I just click on guitar, and all my guitar sites get highlighted. Or I can select which sites I want to search individually. So let's search Harmony Central, Gem Site, and the gear page. They're probably not talking about Uber shells on the gear page, but whatever. And these are the results from those three sites. So basically, Screzi is the ultimate research tool. In the search window here, you can specify only recent results if you want, or you can search for types of files like MP3s, AVIs, etc. And I can also look at the results for Microsoft Bing. Sometimes they'll find different things. I can also click on images or video to see what they return. You can also set up your favorite places to buy stuff. Like here, I've got Musician's Friends, Sweetwater, Zounds, Gbase, and a few other sites set up. So if I do a search, I'll get the results back from just those stores, and it makes it a little easier to compare pricing. Let's refine the search a little. And here's what we get. So now I'm going to show you how to add and update different sites and categories. This is the page where you can add and update different sites and categories. When I scroll down through all the categories, the sites appear at the bottom down here. But I'm actually going to log out of my account and log in as a test account to show you how to add and update sites. So this is Test123's account. I haven't added any sites to it yet. These sites are the default ones that we start every user off with. So let's try adding one of our own. You can add to the existing categories by selecting them up here, or you can add your own categories by clicking Update My Groups or Add Update Groups. So let's add PokerStars to the list. And there it is. When I click on search, you'll notice that it appears under Uncategorized. I want it to appear under Poker. To do that, I'll need to create a poker group. I click on Update My Groups. Now I go back to add and update, and I'm able to move PokerStars under my new poker group. And if I go back and search, there it is. I'll add a couple of other sites under the poker group. These sites can be public or private. If it's public, that means you can share the site with other users. If it's private, only you can see them. We'll get to that in a minute. Right now, I'll make Full Tilt and 2+2 public, and I'll leave SharkScope private. And there they are. I'll also put an example of an adult site. Because adult was checked for Playboy, it gets tagged with a little a. So now I come back to my search link, and as you can see, all the sites I added are here. So let's do a search. And these are the results. The last thing I want to show you is what a public search page looks like. A public search page is what the world sees when they look at your search page. You can share some of your sites, all of your sites, or none of your sites. So I'm going to log out of my account to show you what a public search page looks like when you're not logged in. Now let's say Mr. Test123 gives you his link, which is pretty much just scrazzy.com/test123. This is what I'll see. So you can see the poker sites here. Remember, I only made Full Tilt and 2+2 public. That's why SharkScope isn't visible. If I turn the safe search off, the sites marked adult appear in the list. So from here, I can do all the same searches that Mr. Test123 can do when he's logged into Scrazzy. And these are the results. Now, if I want to look at my public sites, these are the sites that I've made public. So that's Scrazzy in a nutshell. It's pretty simple, actually. You're basically limiting your search to sites you know are good. That way you know you're getting the right information. Plus, you're not clicking on some unknown site where you get spyware or a virus. Now you know why it's for geeks only. Newbie internet users don't really have a lot of sites they search all the time. For regular searches, I'll still use Google, but when I'm researching something, it's Scrazzy all the time. So sign up, let me know what you think. We're still in beta, so you may see some errors. If you do, please send your error messages to jax@scrazzy.com. Other than that, thanks and happy Scrazzing! Hi, my name is Jax, and I'm on the development team for Scrazzy.com, the world's first research engine. Scrazzy is our search engine helper. It's for internet users with a lot of experience, so basically, geeks like me. Scrazzy lets you save all the sites you search regularly and search them directly. So like for guitars, I have my favorite guitar sites saved, and with Scrazzy, I can search them all at once, using either Google or Bing or both. Since there's so much you can do with Scrazzy, I figured it'd be easier to make a video demonstrating how to use the site. I think us internet geeks will find this really useful. The newbies, maybe not so much, but follow along and you'll get the hang of it.